In today's era of high-density and miniaturized electronics manufacturing, rework processes face unprecedented challenges. Manual rework is inefficient and inconsistent, while conventional rework equipment struggle to meet the dual demands of desoldering and solder removal. Seamark R7880 desoldering and tin removal integrated rework equipment integrates three key functions: tin removal, disassembly, and soldering, ushering in a new age of intelligent rework. Its non-contact vacuum tin removal system maintains a safe 0.1–0.3 mm gap through real-time height adjustment, eliminating pad damage entirely. The dual temperature zone closed-loop temperature control system, with accuracy up to ±3 degrees Celsius, and 10-segment temperature curve analysis for consistent process stability. From smartphone motherboard BGAs to industrial control precision components, Seamark R7880 handles all with ease, delivering high efficiency and safety in every rework task. Empowered by smart technology, it redefines rework standards, ensuring perfect restoration for every product.